Friday. Today, let's take a closer look at the ringed planet Saturn. And as always, if you prefer reading instead of watching videos, you can find a written version of our stories on our website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. A jewel floating in space. A giant wrapped in shimmering rings. The most spectacular in the solar system. This is Saturn, the planet of beauty, mystery, and cosmic elegance. Welcome to a world where ice and rock dance in a majestic celestial ballet. Picture this. You are gazing at the night sky when suddenly your eyes catch a glimmer in the darkness. It's not a star, but something more ethereal, more captivating. As you continue to watch, the glimmer seems to take on a life of its own, slowly revealing its true form. Could it be the ringed planet Saturn? As mentioned earlier, let's get started. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, lying between Neptune and Uranus in a region where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows. Despite the cold, Saturn holds a unique allure. Unlike any other planet in our solar system, it sports rings so grand and breathtaking that they've captured the imagination of astronomers and dreamers alike. To truly appreciate the scale of Saturn's rings, let's put them into perspective. If our solar system was shrunk down to the size of a basketball court, Saturn's rings would span nearly the entire court. That's some serious real estate. But don't be fooled by their apparent simplicity. These rings are a cosmic masterpiece made up of billions upon billions of ice and rock particles, ranging from microscopic to house-sized to chunk. Sunlight bounces off these particles, creating a dazzling display of light and shadow that shimmers across the planet's surface. The intricate patterns and ever-changing hues make Saturn's rings a kaleidoscope of wonder. It's almost as if the planet itself is adorned with a crown jewels, each sparkling with its own tale to tell. And as we gaze upon this spectacle, we can't help but wonder about the secrets hidden within those glittering ice crystals. In addition to its magnificent rings, Saturn has another claim to fame: its numerous moons. With over 80 known moons, Saturn takes the crown as the moon king of our solar system. Some of its moons are fairly large, like Titan, which is bigger than Pluto. Others are so small, they can fit into a backpack. Each moon has its unique features and quirks. There's Enceladus, which sprays icy geysers into space and may harbor a vast ocean beneath its surface. Then there's Titan, shrouded in a thick orange haze and home to exotic lakes filled with liquid methane. And who could forget Dione, with its mysterious craters and deep canyons that hint at a turbulent past. Saturn's moons are like chapters in a cosmic book, each one adding to the planet's rich narrative. Exploring them is like embarking on a grand adventure full of surprises around every icy bend. As we journey through the depths of space, we can't ignore the storms that rage on Saturn. These storms are not your typical weather event. They dwarf anything we experience here on Earth. Imagine gigantic whirlwinds that have been raging for centuries, whipping around the planet at speeds that defy belief. Saturn's storms are colossal, with some spanning entire continents. They are so massive that they blot out the planet's surface for years on end. The winds that drive these storms reach speeds of up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet. Saturn's storms are not just powerful, they're also beautiful. They create awe-inspiring sights that have left many astronomers speechless. Have you seen the mesmerizing hexagonal cloud pattern at Saturn's North Pole? This strange and beautiful phenomena has puzzled scientists since its discovery. It's a giant vortex that has maintained its shape for decades, defying the planet's turbulent weather patterns. The hexagon's secret remains one of the biggest mysteries of Saturn, a tantalizing puzzle that continues to elude our understanding. Now, let's embark on a mind-blowing journey to unravel the very essence of Saturn. Brace yourself, because what we're about to reveal will leave you won't believe what lies at the heart of this enigmatic planet. At the core of Saturn lies a mystery that has captivated scientists for centuries. What is this planet's core made of? Is it a solid mass of rock and metal or something more elusive? To understand Saturn's core, we must delve deep into the planet's structure. Beneath the swirling clouds and majestic rings lies a dense, hot, and incredibly heavy mass. Scientists believe that Saturn's core is humongous and incredibly dense. It's estimated to be about 10 times the mass of Earth and twice the size. The pressure and temperature in the core reach millions of carats and thousands of degrees Celsius. Those are conditions that would make even the toughest materials buckle. But despite the immense pressure and heat, Saturn's core remains a tantalizing enigma. We don't know exactly what it's made of. Some theories suggest that it's a solid ball of rock and metal, while others propose that it's a mysterious fluid. This uncertainty stems from the fact that we have never been able to directly observe Saturn's core. All our current theories are based on indirect evidence such as gravitational measurements and the planet's overall composition. One intriguing possibility is that Saturn's core contains exotic forms of matter that we have yet to discover. Perhaps there are strange, never-before-seen elements or compounds that exist under these extreme conditions. The thought of finding something entirely new at the heart of Saturn is both exciting and terrifying. As we continue to explore our universe, who knows what wonders and mysteries await us? The possibilities are truly endless. Ever wondered how Saturn formed? Well, let me take you on a thrilling ride through time to uncover the secrets of its birth. Prepare to be amazed by the fascinating theories that scientists have proposed to explain the planet's formation. One popular theory suggests that Saturn, along with the rest of the planets in our solar system, formed from a giant rotating disk of gas and dust that surrounded the young sun. This disk was the building block of our cosmic neighborhood, and over billions of years, gravity caused it to collapse and clump together. As the material came together, it heated up, forming a dense core that eventually became the Saturn we know today. This process was a slow and gradual one, much like the formation of our own solar system. It took millions of years for Saturn to grow to its full size and shape. But Saturn's story doesn't end there. Another intriguing theory proposes that the planet's rings played a crucial role in its formation. Some scientists believe that the rings were created when a large object, perhaps a comet or a wayward moon, crashed into Saturn's equatorial region. This collision threw debris into space, which eventually formed the stunning rings we see today. The impact also caused Saturn to become wider at its equator, giving it the distinctive shape that sets it apart from other planets. However, these theories raise more questions than they answer. For example, how did the initial disk of gas and dust come to be? What triggered the collapse that led to Saturn's formation? Scientists are still working hard to piece together the puzzle of Saturn's origins. They use computer simulations and models to test various scenarios and try to recreate the conditions that existed when Saturn was born. Each simulation brings them closer to understanding the forces that shaped this majestic planet. Meanwhile, missions like NASA's Cassini have provided invaluable data and close-up images of Saturn and its moons. By studying the composition and structure of the rings, scientists hope to shed light on their role in Saturn's history. The mystery of Saturn's formation is a reminder of the boundless curiosity and wonder that drives scientific exploration. As we continue to probe the depths of our universe, we may stumble upon even more clues that help us rewrite Saturn's story. Who knows what other secrets the cosmos hold? This brings us to the question, do you think Saturn's rings were formed by a catastrophic collision? Or are they remnants from the solar system's birth? Share your thoughts below. And there you have it, folks. From its majestic rings to its countless moons and mysterious storms, Saturn never ceases to amaze. But what amazes you the most about this enigmatic planet? Do you have a favorite aspect of Saturn that captures your imagination? Perhaps it's the stunning views of its rings or the mind-boggling storms that rage across its surface. Maybe you're fascinated by the potential for life on its moons, or intrigued by the unsolved mysteries that surround its core. Whatever it is, we would love to hear about it. So don't hesitate. Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. And hey, if you're enjoying our journey through the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe for more intergalactic adventures. We've got so much more to explore. Until next time, keep looking up and keep asking questions. The universe is full of wonders, and we're here to help you uncover them all. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through space. And who knows, maybe one day we'll unravel all of Saturn's secrets. Until then, keep gazing at the stars and let your imagination soar.